So I want to show you the flow for Vini app, which is a vibe-coded natural language to mini app platform, and how we use X42, which allows you then to create thousands or tens of thousands of different new applications. So basically you can imagine anything that you ask ChatGPT or Claude for, you could turn that into an endpoint, which then can be turned into an application. So let's go through a quick example of kind of what I'm talking about. So we're going to click on Vini, and you're going to see that I created an app yesterday for exercises. And so you have an app here called Exercise of the Day. We're going to click on that, and you're going to see the typical Vini flow and dashboard, which allows you to kind of talk to your application and suggest any edits that you'd like to make. But you'll see here there's a button here called Open in Farcaster. So we're going to open up the app, and you'll see the Exercise of the Day application that I made yesterday, where you can select on any aspect of your body, and it will use AI to generate and provide an exercise for you to work on today. So I'm going to click on chest, and you'll see here that it's now going to ask me for 1 cent on base, and I'm going to confirm that. And so what it's going to do during this time is that it's making an X42 payment request, which is really just to say, on demand, we're going to make a single pay per request call to APINow.fun, which will then return a result. So today, it's telling me that I should do some push-ups. I should do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps, and this is a body weight exercise. And now what I can do on this application is that we can actually click share and say, I've just generated my daily exercise, and you can get your daily exercise too. So I'm going to cast that. And then I want to talk to you about kind of how this information got in here and why we pay to send. So there's a platform called APINow.fun, which allows you to create endpoints out of anything you can think of on ChatGPT or OLM. So what we can do is that you can say, so for this one, what I did was I said, I need an exercise endpoint, and I did the generate endpoint. And so after I go through this whole flow, which takes only a few moments, you'll see here that I can go to my profile, and I have this exercise generator right here. So you see here that when I click on this, it has all the information. It says the cost, which wallet it gets sent to, which model we're using. And then you can actually see that call that I just made in the application was just made 2 minutes ago on chain right here on Basecamp. So this is a full end-to-end loop from creating an application from the data that you get from LLMs. So I think that this opens up a world of possibilities for people to create brand new applications that other people can use, and they can kind of keep improving these endpoints over time to make sure that their app is delivering the best data possible, and that app is fully built by Vini, which is a Farcaster platform. If you're not following Vini, it's under Vini app, and it's super easy to use Vini. All you have to do is kind of click the mini app here, you open it up, you click this plus button down here, and then you can put in your app name, put in the description of your app, and it'll build the whole thing for you in just a few moments.